Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to find your Amazon reviews directly within your Amazon account. This is particularly useful if you want to keep track of all the products you've reviewed or need to edit or manage your past feedback. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign into your account. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Amazon homepage where you can access all your account features. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a section labeled Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option and a drop-down menu will appear with various account-related choices. From this menu, click on Account to proceed to your main account settings page. Once you're on the account page, you'll need to scroll down through the different sections available. Keep scrolling until you locate Your Content. This section houses all the content you've created on Amazon, including reviews, photos, and other contributions. Click on Your Content to open it. Inside the Your Content section, you'll see an option to create content. Click on this button and you'll be presented with different types of content you can manage. From the options displayed, select Review. This is where Amazon organizes all your product reviews in one convenient location. Now, although I don't have any reviews displayed right now, this is exactly where all your Amazon reviews will appear. Every product you've reviewed will be listed here, making it easy to track your feedback history, edit existing reviews, or even remove reviews if needed. The centralized section gives you complete control over all the reviews you've written on Amazon. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated to your Amazon reviews section where you can manage all your product feedback. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.